In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a calendar button to an SMS landing page in Messaging Studio. This is going to be really important for things like appointment reminders. So as you can see here, I'm in Template Editor and I've almost finished my landing page. I just want to add an Add to Calendar button. So if you go to the bottom here and click Calendar, and then again in the template, from this page you can edit the text on the button as well as the event in the calendar itself. So your display text is your call to action. An event title and event description is what appears in the calendar itself. You want the event title and event description to be as helpful for the customer as possible. You might want to include directions or about who they're meeting with. Then after that, you have to select the time and date of the appointment or event. So I've just made that into a half-an-hour appointment. And the final thing to do is to make sure that the colour of the button matches all the others. And then just to preview it. And this is how it will look in your user's handset.